Friends mail, take one. I broke it.
You sure did.
I told you I broke it.
Oh no, I thought you were kidding.
I still have this though.
Eric, you're a mess. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. JoAnn Barrandey here. Today I'm so excited and I'm so grateful I get to open up some friend mail. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, and I've already kind of cut these so that I could save time on opening them because I'm so excited. And I'm so grateful to my YouTube Dollar Tree community friends that we're able to do this for one another. And we don't have to, but man, it brings joy to my heart. The first package I have is from my friend Mari. She's with Restored Creations, Martinez Montes, and she is a sweetheart. And if you haven't visited her channel yet, you need to, friend. She is a joy. I told her she's like one of my kids. I just love her. She sent me, hi. Oh, thank you, sweet girl. I just love her. And oh my gosh, she found the item I had been looking for. Oh my goodness. Oh, Mari, thank you so much, friend. You found all the prayer cards that I have been looking for. When I've been going into the Dollar Tree, the managers would normally ask me, hey, friend, what you crafting today? And then after a while, it was like, no, friend, we don't have your prayer cards. But thank you, Mari, because I still have not seen them. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. In him was life, and in the life was the light of men. Oh, a beautiful pad as well. Thank you, sweet girl. Friends, these are beautiful. I get to have a prayer card to post on my Instagram. And this next one is from, oh my gosh, my friend Frugal J. Everybody loves my mariposa hermosa. That means beautiful butterfly. Jay is just a beautiful person, and if you haven't visited her channel, you need to. She finds amazing Dollar Tree items that you need to go out and look for as soon as she gets through showing them to you. Thank you, friend. She sent me the bead bag that I had not been able to find. I found the other one and I told her, I said I had not been able to find this one. I love it. Thank you so much for being so thoughtful, friend. And look, she uses a butterfly to decorate. Feels like there's something else in, there's something else in here. Oh my gosh, I love earrings. Thank you so much, friend. Oh my gosh, I want to wear these, Eric. I want to put them on right now. Go for it. Oh my gosh, thank you, friend. Oh my goodness, I love earrings. Girl can't have too many earrings. I'm just gonna take these off right quick. Oh my goodness. Friend mail is something that just makes a girl very happy. Look how cute they are, all of them. Oh my goodness, I'm a leopard girl. I'm gonna put these on right away. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jay. I just love you, and everybody loves Jay. She is the most thoughtful, loving human being on the planet. I guarantee you, you'll love her channel. You need to check her out. And I'm not going to read the cards out loud. I'm just going to show them to you in the front of them, because that's something private. She sent me a card that says, hi. Thank you for being fabulous, Bella. Love you. Well, I'm going to read it anyway. Sorry. Love it. Love it. Thank you, Frugal J. Okay, and this next one is from my friend at Peep This, y'all. And if you haven't checked her channel out, friend, you need to. Oh my gosh, she makes all kinds of fake food and some real food too. And what do we need fake food for? We need it to decorate with and to use for photo props. and she is amazing. I just love Cindy. You have to check her channel out. She is amazing. Oh my gosh, Cindy, you are so sweet. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh. I love sweets. Can you tell by looking at me? And oh, these precious little magnets. Thank you, friend. Oh my gosh, since I'm Crafty Queen Bee, look, Eric, ribbon with bees on it. Oh, you are a sweetheart. Oh my goodness, here's another one. It says, love, smile, and dream. Friends, how sweet is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, here's another one with butterflies and flowers. Oh, that's it. It doesn't take much to make me happy. And now I've decided that friend mail makes me very, very happy, Eric. Oh my gosh. Oh, I know. I didn't have this one. DIY till I die. Is that not cute? And there's another little magnet in there. Look at this, friends. Precious beverage glass. Love it. Oh, Cindy, you outdid yourself. Oh my gosh. Treat rough, calloused, cracked feet. Girl, goat milk. Soul keeper. I need this if you only knew. Thank you, girl. Oh my gosh, there's more. Oh my goodness. Oh, see, friends, this is some of the items that she makes. You'll have to check her out. Oh, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, these are precious. These are her little dough ornaments. These are too cute. Oh my gosh, a mini cake. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Oh, and what is this? Hands-free tool. Look at that. Friends, you didn't have to do all this. Oh my gosh, this makes, oh, I'm just so happy. Look at this. And friends, she makes these details, these flowers out of clay she uses to adorn her ornaments. Are these not precious? I'm telling you, you have to watch her channel. You have to go and visit her.
Yeah, the details on the flowers are really cool.
They are, I know.
Like, just very detailed for how small this is. I mean, just look at it in my hand.
She is amazing, and I make a lot of these things, but I have learned so much from her, and she's just been an asset in my life because she is just precious. And one day she sent me an email and she said, would you like to collab and do a challenge? And I said, girl, you know I'm old. You know I suffer from stage fright. You know that I have brain farts. And you want to do a challenge with me after I saw a lady do a challenge and somebody sent her a big garbage bag and she had to make something with it? Well, the lady pulled it off, but I was scared. I told her I'd have to think about it. Cindy, I just love you. Oh my gosh, I didn't pick this up that day that it was there when I saw it at Hobby Lobby, and when I went back it was gone, and look, my sweet friend sent it to me. Oh, Cindy and Frugal J and my sweet Mari, y'all are so sweet. Y'all didn't have to do this, but I'm so glad you did. And I sent all of y'all something as well. I'm so glad I belong to a community of ladies that are just so wonderful. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, friends, just a short little video to share my goodies with you to let you know how wonderful people are in this YouTube community. Friends, today is a great day to smile and be happy. Love y'all.